Ryan.
Ipa is trying her luck at the Victoria's Secret. It will be fun. Hopefully she gets a nice... No?
Nabagsak eh.
It's okay.
You glue something?
Ate, bakit ko na?
Kaya may price.
Gusto mo try?
This is the city center. Oh, the cathedral is over there. Look.
Nag-umpisa
Oh,
ka
may Beaver Brook.
Nag-umpisa ka naman,
Nice.
magpa-vlog ka na naman ha.
Yeah.
Pero naman in-add sa YouTube.
The lovely people of Exeter. Oh, look at that. Summer vibes. Okay. As we're walking, stay with us so you will see the rest of Exeter. Look. What's that?
May holster,
Oh, they've got Flying Tiger Hill here.
may holster din oh.
Yeah.
And rose.
All Saints, Reese, Oliver, Moss Brother. That is the cathedral, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's, yeah, that's the Exeter Cathedral.
But you have to pay.
It's nice and clean. Ah, Debenhams is closed as well. There's no more Debenhams. It's all online now.
Sabi ko sa'yo, sarado eh.
Costa. Oh, ang bilis mag-drive ng ali. So where do we go from here?
I don't know, tumigal yung tatlo eh. Saka nag-google si
Look at them. Even nationwide.
Bowling.
Where?
Or did you stop Ipa?
I just.
Chess. Yes, I thought bowling.
When it's free. When it's
Even in Kensington, they have that big
Chess.
Princess Hay, etc. Look. It's early in the morning. It's about 10 o'clock. And look, it's so clean. You don't see any mess. Unlike London. Oh, look at that. Look at how behaved the people are. And how they clear up things. Look. Anyway, we'll give you more as we go around. Oh,
Greek
they've got
street.
Greek street food. Look,
Going.
nice. Nice and clean. All right, mate.
Nationwide pa oh.
They've got everything that you will need. Everything that we have in London, they've got it here. The only thing we don't have in London is like how clean and tidy the place is. And I don't see any homeless. Look, we're at the city center and it's really clean. Nice. Ah, look at that. They've got Pandora as well. Everything that you might need. Everything. They even have things that we don't have in London. Aside from, obviously, it's clean here. Look, they've got small stalls that we don't have in here. Ah, they've got churros. Yay! It's churros. Look. How lovely is that? Look. Anyway, I have to catch up with the guys. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.